Guys, all set up. October 20th. Evening hunt is 4:30. Had a mile walk back to the spot. Dad and I took a little walk Tuesday afternoon. And we found a bunch of sign back in this spot. So, fresh sign hunted. So, here I am. It's been raining the last day and a half again. It's been raining quite a bit. So it stopped. System kind of pushed through. And man, I hope these bucks are moving tonight. Heading out to freshen up these scrapes. There's gotta be 10 to 15 scrapes down through here. A bunch of trees rubbed up. Real fresh stuff. Found a pretty sweet tree, got some good cover. Expecting most the bedding to be over here to my northeast. And hopefully coming through this way. We've got a pretty strong northwest wind, as you can see. It's whipping pretty good. I'm gonna work through. Got a nice terrain feature right here, a nice little pine ridge. Real thick, nasty stuff. Bunch of trails through here. I can shoot over here to my left, kind of along that. And then out here in front of me, where all these scrapes are at. See what happens. Probably throw a few sits in this spot. I got a little old clear cut right out here in front of me as well, that a buck could easily be bedded up in. Working this way, got some ag fields south of me, so I mean, it makes sense. It's a sweet little spot. Got a big rub right here. Historically, the spot's always pretty torn up. I used to hunt it quite a bit. Haven't hunted it the last couple years. So I'm excited to be back here again. We'll sit back, see what happens tonight. crazy. I had a nice doe out here. And sure enough, big old buck right behind her. 40 yards, no shot. Thought that doe was gonna work this trail across out here in front of me, and she got all frisky and couldn't rein up the other way. I snort-wheezed at him right here, and he stopped. He acted like he was gonna come over here. Worked this trail back towards me a little bit. Just turned and kind of trotted back up. Probably looking for that doe. Oh, that was a big buck. Shoot. Man, it would have worked perfect if they just came right here across like I thought they would. Man. I'm shaking now. That's the first shooter I've seen in the stand.